Hello, P6. Welcome to semester 2 and welcome once again in our Math 6 class, and this is Miss Claire. In this video, you will learn about chapter 10. It's all about data handling. So you will learn two lessons. We have line graphs and also mode, median, mean, and range. So when we say mode, median, and mean, they are types of average. These topics, children, will help us on how to interpret a data. So I'm sure that you are familiar with mode because you already encountered this during your Math 5 class. So these are the objectives for this lesson. We have to use line graphs and to find the mode, median, mean, and range of a given data. So P6, are you ready? Relax, sit back, and have fun learning this video. Let's start with lesson 1, using of line graph. So what is a line graph? A line graph is a type of chart used to show information that changes over time. And usually in the line graph, you can see lines and dots. Okay, so for example, you can make a line graph. For sure, you should have your data first. So I have here a table that shows the number of fruits sold every day. So this is my data. Now, we can convert this data into a line graph like this. So as you can see, we have the days. So from Monday until Saturday. Then on the other side, so we have the number of fruits. So on Monday, we have 40 fruits. So we have our line and we put that here. Next, we have on Tuesday, so we have 50 fruits. So we use until here between 40 and 60 because our number of fruits here, the ranges is from 0 to by 20. So we put 50 between 40 and 60. Then Wednesday, we have 70. So between 80 and 60. Then Thursday is 90. Friday is 100 and Saturday is 110. So this is a line graph. This is a basic example of a line graph. So before you can plot your data in a line graph, make sure that you have your data first. You collect your data first and you can put it in a table like this. This table is also, we can call it a frequency table. Another example here is another line graph. I have here a table that's showing the conversion between US dollar and Philippine peso. So this is a conversion of currencies. So I have here what we call a conversion graph because this graph is showing the relationship between two units of measurements, and that is two currencies of between US dollar and Philippine peso. So in our table, if you have 10 US dollars, the conversion is 500 Philippine pesos. So this is 500 here. So if you have 20 US dollars, that is equivalent to 1,000. So if you have 20, that is 1,000. If you have 30 US dollars, that is between 1,000 and 2,000, and that is 1,500 Philippine peso. Now, if you have 70 here, 70 US dollars, so what is the conversion in Philippine peso? So you have here, this is 70. This is between 3,000 and 4,000, so the conversion is 3,500. So between 3,000 and 4,000 is 3,500. So if you have 100 US dollars, so the conversion in Philippine peso is 5,000, this one. Okay, so this is what we call a conversion graph. And this is still an example of a line graph. Okay, another is, I have here another kind of line graph. This is what we call a distance time graph. So this table shows the distance traveled between 12 noon until 4 p.m. So take a look here. So we have the time from 12 noon until 4 p.m. Then we have the distance. The unit of measurement is in kilometers. So if you can see, so if you traveled from 12 noon to 1 p.m., that is 1 hour. So that is 10 kilometers. Then if you traveled from 12 to 2 p.m., that is 20 kilometers here. How about if you travel when you reach the time 2:30 p.m.? So 2:30 is this one. So what is the distance traveled? So between 20 and 30, this is 25 kilometers. Correct. Okay. Now, how about 3 p.m.? In 3 p.m., the distance traveled is 30 kilometers. How about 30 minutes passed after 3 p.m.? That is 3:30 here. Look at the distance traveled. It did not change. It's still the same. So it means to say, maybe the person who is traveling make a pause or take a rest for 30 minutes. So then in 4 p.m., the distance traveled is 40 kilometers. So this is what we call a distance time graph. So it shows the relationship between the distance traveled and the time. Okay, P6. So during our Zoom meeting, I will discuss more about different kinds of line graphs. Let's go to lesson 2, mode, median, mean, and range. So let's start with mode. Mode, children, is the most frequently occurring value on the list. So I have here different values. Look at the numbers. Which number or value occur frequently or the highest number? Yes, it's number 7. Number 7 occurs 3 times. So this is our mode. 4 is only 2, 8 is only 2, and the rest only occur 1 time. Another example, look at this data. I have here different kinds of birds in a park. What bird occur frequently or the highest number of frequency? Correct, it's the parrot. So the park has the most number of parrot, therefore our mode is 20, or the parrot. This is our mode. So that is mode, children. Let's go to median. Median means middle. So we just try to find only the middle value of a given set. So all we need to do is to order the sets from the smallest to the biggest. So the smallest is 2, followed by 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. So what is the middle value then? How to find the middle value? So this is 2, 10, 3, 9, 5, 6. So the middle is 6. Yes. So our median in this set is number 6. Okay. Can we order the values from the largest to the smallest instead? Yes, of course. For example, I have here another set, and let's order this from the biggest to the smallest value. Then let's find the median. So we have 9, 1, 8, and 3, 7, and 4. See, we have 2 median. But in a given set, children, we should have only 1 median. This set is even number of values. There are 8. So all we need to do is we will add the 6 and 5, and we divide it by 2, and that will be our median. So remember, if the set has even number of values, you add the 2 median in the middle and then divide by 2. So the median is 5.5. Let's go to mean. Mean is the average of the total values. So you need to find first the total values, then divide the number by the number of values. So we have here our set of values. Let's find the total, that is 38. Then we divide 38 by 6. Why 6? Because this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the answer is 6.5. So this is our mean. This is what we call the average. Another example, let's find the mean height. So all we need to do is we will find the total height, and that is equal to 700 centimeters. And the mean height of these 5 children is 140 centimeters. So this is our mean height. So again, mean, you add first all the values. After that, you divide into how many value is given. Now let's go to range. This is the easiest one. Range children is only finding the lowest or the smallest value and the highest value. Then subtract. So let's see our set here. 10, 6, 9, 2, 4, and 8. What is the highest value? 10. The lowest value? 2. Then subtract. So range is equal to highest value minus lowest value, and that is 10 minus 2, and that is equal to 8. So our range in this data is 8. So children, that's how to find the mode, median, mean, and range. And that's all about lesson 1, line graphs, and lesson 2, mode, median, mean, and range. I will discuss more about this lesson during our Zoom meeting. Thank you for watching P6, and always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone, and have a great day.